Oke, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Om Swastiastu, salam nama budaya dan salam sejahtera untuk kita semua. Today, I will present on the topic of LKM 7 biochemistry, lipid metabolism, fatty acid degradation, and synthesis. Before we begin, let me introduce myself. My name is Salsa Dewi Anissa. You can call me Salsa, and the last in 01. Case study is A 48 years old man present with obesity, high cholesterol levels, fatigue during physical activity, fatty liver. Laboratory results showed elevated triglyceride and LDL levels, decreased fatty acid oxidation, suboptimal lipid metabolism enzyme activity. The doctors suspected a disorder in lipid metabolism, particularly in the breakdown and synthesis of fatty acid as well as cholesterol metabolism. 1. Explain the concept of lipid metabolisms and its role in providing energy to the body. Lipid metabolism is the process of lipid synthesis and degradation in the body. It plays a role in energy supply, energy storage, and the formation of cellular components. 2. Describe the main states of fatty acid bioxidation within the cell, including the location of the process. Beta oxidation occurs in the mitochondria matrix and involves fatty acid activation, transport into mitochondria via the catenate saddles, and breakdown into acetyl coenzyme A and ADH and FADH2. Base 3 is not 2, and 3 based on the case why can a described in fatty acid oxidation lead to fat accumulation in the body. Reduce beta oxidation prevents efficient fatty acid breakdown, leading to fat accumulation in body tissues. 4. Explain the produce of fatty acid synthesis, including location within the cell, primary raw materials, K enzyme, location cell cytoplasma, main substrates, acetyl coenzyme, and malonyl coenzyme. A. K enzyme, fatty acid synthesis, and acetyl coenzyme carboxylase. 5. Compare the process of beta oxidation and fatty acid synthesis in the terms of location, function, energy requirement. Accepted location, beta oxidation occurs in the mitochondrial matrix. Fatty acid synthesis occurs in the cytoplasma. Aspect, function, beta oxidation breaks down fatty acid to produce energy. Fatty acid synthesis fatty acid for energy storage and biosynthesis. Aspect, energy requirement, beta oxidation generates ATP and ADH and FADH2. Fatty acid synthesis requires ATP and NADPH as energy input. 6. Calculate the amount of ATP produced from the complete oxidation of 1 mole of palmitic acid. Complete oxidation of 1 mole of palmitate yields 106 ATP. Calculation, beta oxidation produced 7 NADH, 7 FADH2, and 8 acetyl coenzyme. 7 NADH 17,5 ATP, 7 FADH 2, 10,5 ATP. 8 acetyl coenzyme took the Krebs cycle 80 ATP. Totalnya 180 ATP. Minus 2 ATP used for fatty acid activation. Jadi 100,6 ATP. 7. Explain how triacylglycerol are synthesis, broken down, lipolysis, and their role in energy storage. Synthesis triacylglycerol are formed from glycerol and fatty acid mainly in the liver and adipose tissue. Lipolysis triacylglycerol are broken down into glycerol and free fatty acid by lipase enzyme. Role they serve as the major form of long-term energy storage. 8. Explain the process of cholesterol synthesis and the role of cholesterol in the body. Cholesterol is synthesis mainly in the liver from acetyl coenzyme via the mevalonate pathway. It functions as a component of cell membranes and as a producer of steroid hormones, bile acid, and vitamin D. 9. Analyze the roles of the hormones insulin and glucagon in regulation lipid metabolism. Insulin stimulates fatty acid and triacylglycerol synthesis while inhibiting lipolysis. Glucagon stimulates lipolysis and fatty acid oxidation to provide energy. Based on the case study, explain the relationship between fatty acid metabolism, triacylglycerol metabolism, cholesterol metabolism in condition of obesity and metabolic disorders. In obesity and metabolism disorder, increased triacylglycerol synthesis and storage lead to fat accumulation, impaired fatty acid oxidation, reduced lipid utilization for energy, while altered cholesterol metabolism may increase the risk of cardiovascular disease. Thank you for your attention. Billahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.